Gut gemacht. A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly into our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. It seems that the residents of the local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. Ike stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a ship into the bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye out for the cop. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of the Blue Mondilio parked in the south of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the trade.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill him for some extra money. Now blow up the car. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. There's a stolen taxi park in the center of the city. Catch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, Hanso. Take me to the hotel. Would you be a love and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now, wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our backs as we go in the hotel?
This is my car now.
Nice one. Here's your payment. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. A rival gang are meeting behind some building to the northwest. Waste them. Watch out! They're onto you! Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Ha! Great. Here's your money. Go to the payphones for more missions. Okay, you should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked in the car park by the hotel. I fitted explosives to a few remote-controlled cars. I caught the wife with some other guy the other night and just thought of the perfect punishment. Drive one of the RCs underneath the car and lower to them. Here's your money.
Nice car. I'll take it.
Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. Ike stopped the car in the back street. Find it before the cops do. Great! Now take it to Kelly's garage in the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Excellent. Here's your danger money. Get back to the phones for some more missions. Brent's just gone out that I'm begging his wife. Waste him, or he tracks me down. Nicely done. Here's your money.